Hey guys, welcome to Math Tech. Today we'll be learning how to fix Telegram video not playing, and now let's dive right in. Now to fix Telegram video not playing, guys, first open up your Telegram app, and after opening a Telegram app, guys, tap on the three-lined icon at the top left corner of the screen and tap on the settings option available for us just below the saved messages. And over here, guys, scroll down a little bit and you can see there is the data and storage option available for us. Tap on data and storage, and here it says the automatic media download, and first we'll be required to check either we have the maximum size of the video which can be played with your video or not. So in order to check it, guys, you can see where it says the when using mobile data, tap on it. If you have disabled it like this, guy, first enable it and open it, and this kind of panel will appear where you can see there is the video option available for us. Check either it's turned off or on, and if it's turned on, tap to open it, and this kind of panel will appear where you can see you can change the maximum video size. If it's on like minimum like to 500 KB, the video will not play, so make sure to upgrade the maximum video size according to the videos you're getting. So it can be up to 2 GB on Telegram itself, and you can also preload the larger videos by tapping on toggle icon just beside the preload larger videos and then save it. And you can see, guys, now your Telegram will start to play the videos which are larger in size. Also, this is also a fix of Telegram video not playing on Telegram. So you can try this on when connected to Wi-Fi. Check the videos is on or off. Tap on the videos to open this videos detailed panel. You can set the maximum video size over here. If you had to minimum, if you had it on the minimum, you can change or upgrade it to 2 GBs. You can also choose the preload larger videos and tap on save, and it will be saved. Similarly, it's on the roaming as well. Go to videos and you can do the settings for the same. And with that being done, guys, your video not playing on Telegram might be fixed, or if it's not, try restarting your device or clearing the cache on Telegram. To do that, tap on the storage usage over here, and you can see there is the clear cache option available for us. Tap on the clear cache and tap on clear cache, and then your cache on Telegram will be cleared. By that way, guys, some of the remaining data on Telegram will be cleared. That way your videos will start to play much better. And with that being said, guys, this is how to fix Telegram video not playing. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.